Okay, we're going to do a brief and quick review of exponent rules. Let's start with the product of powers, same base. If I have a to the b times a to the c, what this will result in if we simplify is a to the power of b plus c. That's it. For example, if I have 2 to the second power times 2 to the third power, this will equal 2 to the 2 plus 3 power, which equals 2 to the fifth power. Next, if I have the power of a product, for example, if I've got a times b to the c power, this is the same thing as a to the c times b to the c. For example, if I have 2 times 3 to the third power, this is the same thing as 2 to the third power times 3 to the third power. If you want to break it down, you can think of it as this way. You really have 2 times 3 times 2 times 3 times 2 times 3. How many 2's do you have? You have 3 2's, all times each other. How many 3's do you have? You have 3 3's, all times each other. 2 to the third times 3 to the third, just as we said. Moving on, the power of a power. If you have a to the b to the power of c, this can be simplified as a to the power of b times c. So for example, if I have 2 to the second power, that quantity to the third power, that would equal 2 to the power of 2 times 3, which is equal to 2 to the sixth power. That's it. Moving on. If you are dividing powers, for example, if you have a to the b divided by a to the c, this would give you a to the b minus c, just as we saw earlier. It's the opposite of when you are multiplying. So we've got an example. 2 to the fifth divided by the quantity 2 to the third. This equals 2 to the 5 minus 3. That's 2 squared. You can think of it another way. If you think of 2 to the fifth, 2 to the fifth is really 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 over 2 to the third, which is equal to 2 times 2 times 2. You can eliminate 1 in the denominator for every 1, 2 that you eliminate in the numerator. I'm left with 2 times 2, which is equal to 2 squared, just as we saw a moment ago. Now if you have 0 as an exponent, there is a simple rule for that. Anything to the 0 power is equal to 1. Anything. For example, if you have 5,342 to the 0 power, that equals 1. That's it. Negative exponents. If you have a to the negative b, that can be simplified as 1 over a to the b. The negative just tells you that you're going to make this the reciprocal. So for example, if I have 2 to the negative third power, what this is equal to is 1 over 2 to the positive 3. That is it. Anytime you see a negative, make a reciprocal and then add the exponent in the bottom, except now keep it positive. That's it. This was a brief review of exponent rules. This was quick. If you have questions, go back, review what you need to, bring them to class. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.